ओके आई एम गोइंग लाइव स्टार्ट स्ट्रीमिंग मतलब अभी अचानक से चेहरा तो नहीं आएगा बस मैं सब कुछ चेक कर लूँ एक बार वर्टिकल वीडियो BRB it's already going in live lol 37 seconds we're already live okay let's play the jam until we set up.
I like to and be myself, be everything that I've never been. No exciting. Then I'll show you what it means to be alive and more lively. Is there something you see that is terribly wrong? Is there something you see that is terribly wrong?
Okay guys, can you hear me? I'm doing this after a very long time once again, right? Markets are crashing. We are looking at bearish stuff happening, guys. Crazy freaking bearish shit happening all across the market. I mean, the music is not looking nice as well. How you all doing, folks? Probably I'm gonna delete this live stream itself. Bitcoin, Solana, Atlas, Radium, everything looking absolutely wrecked, guys. Absolutely wrecked. Uh, there we go. Everything is mostly set up now. Okay, guys, how you all doing? Not really a good day for us, I guess. Most of the crypto market participants, right? Bitcoin did break this one, guys. This was unexpected. We have kind of broken down. This breakdown might be real, guys, because well, we were looking at Bitcoin golden Fibonacci ratios right here and the 111 moving average, guys. This is getting clearer and clearer, right? God, we had a confluence going on between this point and this point, and this was alongside your 11 moving average as well. So we broke down below this one. Not nice. Not nice. Certainly not nice. And well, we are at the buy zone once again, guys. I mean, but is it a dip? No. No, it's a bear trend that is emerging from these levels. Unfortunately, yes, it's kind of like a bear trend that is emerging from these levels. That could take the price action even down further, right? I'm just gonna have my coffee and chill and wait for any one of you to join the video because I just felt like it was necessary to be active at this particular moment in time, right? Because guys, the volatility factor is crazy. Like if you think about this kind of price action from a trader's point of view, this is just madness. This is crazy. What can we do right here in the minute time frame? As soon as the price action comes here, we can take a shot, and then maybe we can put a stop loss right here above this price point, because so in the extreme small time frames, until you are rejecting $49,300, you will continue your down leg. Most likely we have set in that interim low, guys. This one is at 42,500, right? The level that we were talking about when we were hovering at $63,000. Isn't that crazy? We are talking about 42,500 when we were right here. This one happened quite quickly, guys. Unexpected, and unfreaking believable. Unfreaking believable. Well, or is it unbelievable, guys? Wait, let me just get into something that kind of caused this downtrend, right? Two things actually. Dixie most likely is powerful, and the US indices have also started falling down, guys, which is why that kind of led to the Bitcoin's price action breaking down as well. Well, Dixie is not doing anything, right? Dixie is just above the 21 exponential, kind of hovering, kind of going sideways, chilling around, not doing much. But SPY got wrecked yesterday, I guess. Oh, did it? How much? Not by much, guys, but the down move has already begun in SPY, right? I mean, we are looking for consolidation happening on US stock indices. One of the major thing that kind of guides the Bitcoin's price action as well. So could we be looking at similar stuff happening on Nifty? Now, this is Saturday, guys. Most of the indices are closed, the stock markets are closed, but Bitcoin is not closed, which is why it's dumping, right? It is freaking dumping. What are you buying? Nothing, bro. Nothing as of now, of course. But yeah, I would be really happy to add on my BTC position that I keep on adding. Whenever I see Bitcoin going down by 20-30%, I'm going to be very happy in adding Bitcoin, right? Did you buy Bitcoin? Okay, good. Good. Buy another. Buy another couple of, I don't know, millions of dollars of Bitcoin. The channel target to the downside is also met most likely, right? I mean, are we looking at 40,500 being a target? No, the downside target says that we're going to be taking out this low and we're going to be putting the price action at $38,000. That could be another hurtful event in the market, I guess. But for the time being, 42,500 zones got kind of supported, or did we even retest this level or not? Yes, we did. So this one is kind of holding fine as of now. In the small time frames, yes, the price action might just simply stay sideways for good. Let's see the volatility factor as well. This one is also expanding. Everything's looking red line. 3-day volatility must have started picking up. Yes, guys. So the volatility is kind of picking up, and the directional bias is being set in for the downside. So this could kind of extrapolate into little bearish stuff happening in the market, mostly for Ethereum as well, right? Because, well, Bitcoin, the kingpin, is kind of losing some key levels to the downside. Certainly not what I wanted to see. So, no, but we all have to face our demons, no matter how much money we make. All right, so I don't know, guys, maybe the daily candle will kind of close above this price point at $47,000, and the next daily bounce could lead the price action all the way towards the retest of this breakdown that we had recently, guys. But what we can expect in the coming days is the fact that the price action is going to be looking really freaking choppy, right? Because all the directional biases, everything, guys, all the setups that we've been talking about since the previous 10 days or something like that, all the setups are invalidated, guys. Most of the bullish price action structures have broken down. So if we are in this market now, if you are wanting to trade crypto assets, let's just say for the rest of the month itself, guys, because this is a clear-cut breakdown, the monthly bearish thing is also playing out, right? So if you want to trade for the rest of the month, we're going to have to really cautious, guys. Look, we have to proceed with extreme amount of caution in such amount of landscape. I mean, this is kind of resolving itself to the downside. Bitcoin doing that means that altcoins will have similar kind of thing going on in the market, right? So let's hope for the best. But look, guys, I think if you have a bullish bias, and if you're trading all these crypto assets like, oh my god, this is going to be a dip right now, maybe getting rid of that mindset could be a little helpful, because what we did right here is bearish. I mean, this is bearish for coming weeks, guys, most likely, right? Okay, now the things that are pumping in the market are all the BTC pairs, guys. The Ethereum BTC is still looking fine, and this one is hovering above your yellow projection moving average, right? So the bullish structures have started playing out right here instead of freaking Bitcoin itself. So that's also kind of crazy, to be honest with you. Going to be bouncing off of these levels. Yes, we are kind of doing that. So we're at least going to be retesting the rejection highs. So we kind of did retest the rejections highs. But as far as the ETH BTC is situated right here, well, we can expect the Bitcoin dominance to flow to the downside, whereas most of these strong altcoins against BTC pairs will keep on picking up. I mean, this is something which is looking nice, guys. Ethereum BTC is fortunately enough looking pretty amazing. Okay, guys, this was a pretty. I thought it's going to be really small live stream. So all five of you, if you're watching, if you want to ask anything, you can do that, so that we can take a look at the questions, and I can proceed with my coffee and packing. Got to go somewhere today, folks. I'm going to be getting into my nomadic lifestyle once again for a couple of days. So no more studio for a week or something like that. Going to be have to. I will have to carry all of my stuff every single place I go for the rest of the week itself. Okay, I think BNB BTC is also looking nice in the market since, yes, let's check this one out. I mean, where Bitcoin against USD is kind of losing momentum, the BTC pair, the selected few BTC pairs are looking damn nice in the market. Sol BTC also might be looking very nice in the market, I do believe, right? Yep, check this one out, guys. This is in a perma bull price action structure right here. Just crazy. Higher low as compared to all the lows, wanting to go towards the upside, and this one is looking to be like a cup and handle as well. I mean, could this resolve to the upside? Time would tell us that. But yes, most of the risk match below this price point, and I would expect Solana to at least cover this distance to the upside, right? That could take the price action somewhere up top right here. Very vague piece of drawing for you guys right here. But if we talk about the Fibonacci extension for Sol BTC, 1618 could be on the cards at, well, this one is 600,000 satoshis for Solana, right? So Sol against BTC could go for 47% move to the upside, whereas BTC against USD could simply roll to the downside. Oh my goodness. Kind of getting supported in the small time frames for BTC itself. But this is utter bearishness, guys. We're kind of resolving everything to the downside right here. On the 3-day, let's take a look at other charts as well. I think we're going to be jumping into the reverse MACD. And on the 3-day BTC USD, are we putting in a top? Reverse MACD, tell us that. It's not telling us anything, but guys, as soon as the price action was, as soon as the price action lost the Bitcoin Fibonacci golden projection moving average, the yellow moving average essentially, that is when the reverse MACD had started going red. And that is when the down move had started confirming. So what is happening right now? We're kind of accelerating this entire thing to the downside, right? Well, oh well. So I don't see any analysis to draw from the 3-day reverse MACD right here, but if anything has to be told right here, this is something that we're going towards, right? We're kind of going towards $40,000, and this 3-day candle being resolving bearishly in the market is just crazy. Sorry, just got on the chart. I'm so sure you covered it, but do you see a bearish 1 to 2 months in bull, or is it going to be full bear? Interesting question right here. So yeah, I'll just get into the monthly time frame real soon, but I think yes, the 3-day is telling us that we're going to be headed all the way towards the stop loss hunt, the mega stop loss hunt that we're talking about. That is just underneath $40,000. That is also quite possible. We could simply sweep this floor right here and head towards 38,000 or something like that. Get all the stop losses at these regions, and then maybe I don't know, set in a higher low as compared to something right here, I guess. But maybe, look guys, maybe we have initiated our down move, which could take the price action all the way towards 30k as well potentially, right? But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I think in the coming days we're going to be testing the 111 moving average from the downside, right? So most likely we'll play the bounces, guys. Good looking bullish scalp trades would happen in the market as well. Okay, BTC in the monthly. Have we actually tested the downside monthly candle closure target? Yes, we have kind of done that, guys. We have. Oh my goodness. Again, I did not expect this one to play out this soon, but we kind of done that. So what we were expecting in the market is the fact that we could simply test the bullish engulf candle low at 43,500. Kind of did that, kind of obliterated that. We went all the way towards 43,000 flat. It's just testing the huge side of monthly support, guys. Okay, do we have any VIX or something like that happening on some exchange like Kraken or something? I mean, um, if Kraken is kind of lacking liquidity, I think Bitcoin would have tested $7,000-8,000 on Kraken, right? So let's hope that didn't happen in the market. But okay, so Bitcoin did test this one, so we are supposed to hold on to 42,500, guys, because if that level is not being held, let's just say the weekly time frame could extrapolate into monthly, right? So we don't want to see a weekly candle below 42,500, because if that happens, most likely we look, guys, most likely this monthly candle could be closing below this price point, and that would mean that we have a bearish divergence on the monthly time frame, right? Okay, that's just too bearish, guys. This is kind of like getting ahead of ourselves, like too ahead of ourselves, right? I put on the monthly right here, and let's see where the exponential 21 is at, because that is something which will tell us a lot as well. So the monthly exponential 21 is also coming in at 36,000. You see all the areas of interest right here. But guys, I think the downside targets are fine. In the small time frames, we could be looking at crazy bounces, right? But not in such posture, honestly. Will require some time to consolidate right here, but in the extreme small time frames, most likely you will have some bounces. Most likely this trend is going to be choppy as crap. I mean, this one is going to be crazy choppy. Purva Bush says, what is up with Atlas? Atlas is going freaking wrecked in the market. ATLS, Atlas, USD. Atlas is just obliterated all the downside. Shit. This just took out all the. Okay, so Atlas is not bullish anymore, guys. Atlas is simply not bullish in the market anymore. From any freaking angle you see this price action, you are setting in for a retest of this low right here, range low right here at maybe 89 or 90 cents as well. Sorry, 9 cents as well, right? So, well, right after this breakdown, guys, right after Atlas breaking down to the 350, moving average on 2 hour, I think maybe on the 4 hour as well. This one just doesn't want to stop, right? So 4 hour does not have that golden ratio projection. So the hourly and the 2 hourly time frame told us that maybe something bearish is brewing up for Atlas, and this simply rolled to the downside, breaking the floor, taking out all the stop losses. Let's see what's going to happen. Most likely this is going to be Solana dependent, right? And Polis. See what is happening on Polis. Polis, Radium, ARV, Matic, all the structures are gone, guys. All the bullish structures are simply gone in the market. Polis USD, let's see how much this one is obliterated for. Okay, oh my goodness, oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? I mean, this. Okay. Right out of this bearish engulf candle closure below $10.34, guys, this was the level we were quite vigilant about, right? So the 4 hour time frame had all the risk management metrics below this price point, and as soon as you rejected this level to the downside, you had no hesitation clearing out every single price action momentum move to the downside. This is madness. So this is opportunity to me. I mean, Atlas and Polis, if anybody's trying to hold these assets for long term, these are good fat opportunities in the market, guys. Although, just pardon me, I mean, these things can roll down by further 99% in the market. You have to be well prepared for that. So if you're investing into anything, just remember that you can lose everything, right? That has to be the key rule for investments in any kind of markets. But, well, delicious opportunities to scoop off anything. I guess Polis is a good looking DAO from Atlas, Star Atlas Universe, Metaverse as a whole. So this is a good looking opportunity, guys. I mean, Atlas and Polis are good looking opportunities. Radium has kind of disappointed. This is not nice, guys. I have crazy amount of Radium staked on Radium pool, to be honest with you, and I have crazy amount of BTC and Ethereum holdings as well. So most of my downside portfolio is, most of my hodling portfolio is looking wrecked, guys. As I leave for a little fun time in life, I'm dealing with wrecked behavior coming from my portfolio, man. This is not nice. Certainly not nice for me as well. So I'm kind of not having really good time. But I do have a smile on my freaking face, right? So should all of you, guys. So should all of you. Do not take life very, very seriously, because if you start taking life really seriously, this is what market will do to you, I guess. It's just madness, guys. So Radium, I mean, the floor got wiped out, right? $9 floor got wiped out. So market is not pricing in values anymore. I mean, this was supposed to be held on, guys. So if market had to really scoop radium from $9 regions, there should have been a crazy buy volume coming in from these levels. It looks to me like nothing happened. So the order books and all the bid and ask dynamics in the market didn't play out for good, guys. So well. Okay, one more thing before I leave this video, guys. Let me see depth.io. Or coinmarketflow.com. Let's see where the bid and ask ratio and the trends are going towards for Bitcoin itself. This is also quite important to look at, guys. You're running towards the bidding trend, guys, on the 3-day MDR and even on the daily MDR ratio. Yes, you're running towards the bidding trend. So I think we have kind of started the bearish move, guys. Bitcoin most likely, the price action on Bitcoin most likely is going to be a little bearish for I don't know, maybe the rest of the month itself. So what can actually avert this bearishness? Let's talk about this last thing before I leave this video, guys. What should happen? What should Bitcoin do to kind of reverse this entire freakish situation to the upside? It's pretty much clear from every single indicator. I think I'm going to do this on the main chart itself. Let me just get into BTC USDT on Binance. Let me get rid of all these moving averages. By the way, guys, most of the exposure on Bitcoin is supposed to be hedged, right? I mean, yes, it's supposed to be hedged. I mean, what the hell are we doing right here? We're beneath $50,000, so yep. Okay. What could avert this entire zone? I mean, until we are below $58,000, most likely the trend is set for a continuation leg to the downside, guys. And well, this one is also breaking this one to the downside. So in the coming days, guys, since the market is very volatile and all the bigger side of things, all the hedge funds and big fund managers, they do like to shake the market like this, the upside and the downside. Most likely what will happen is that something like this could happen, guys, and then maybe we could continue a downtrend. But as far as, again, guys, I think we are back into freaking this zone once again. We are back into freaking May kind of price action happening once again. Until we are below fucking 58,000, simply roll to the downside. Simply keep on rolling to the downside, most likely. Yep, we're at this same price action situation once again happening from these exact points. So, well, to be honest with you, for the time being, this entire zone could be considered as a bull trap, a big fat bull trap. Something that was supposed to happen at the 618 freaking happened at 1272 on the Fibonacci extension level. Yep, I mean the bull trap was supposed to happen right here. It did not happen right here. So it happened at 1.272 from this entire structure. Now let's see what happens, guys. But until you're below $58,000, yep, the trend is simply going to be going to the downside. So if Bitcoin really has to do something, if crypto markets in general have to be looking bullish, Bitcoin has to establish a trend above 58,000, guys. Until Bitcoin is not doing that, nope. Expect further continuation down moves. And if you're trading in the markets, be aware and be cautious about that as well. Brute says, what dip? Hell no, bro. This is not a dip, man. This is not a dip. This is a trend invalidation for good. This is a clear-cut trend invalidation, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to be ending this quick stream right here. I have to pack my stuff. And, okay, one more thing. The Discord invites are open. The Discord invites are open to everything. Links will be in the previous video. I did not update the description of this video, so check out the previous video. You can just go to the link. You can join the Discord server. We can have chats over there as well, guys. This is the perfect time to learn about crypto markets, right? So hit that link on any video that you can see on my channel itself, and feel free to join the Discord server, guys. Feel free to join. I've opened the Discord server for some time for free, so that more and more people can receive the benefits of exclusive data, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm going to be winding up this video right here, right now. And happy trading if you are bearish in the market, I guess. Bye for now.